Hi, I'm Ethan from the GridFree store, and in this video we'll be talking about the batch kit. The batch kit is one of our most popular kits and it suits a wide range of applications. So what we're going to talk about is firstly what comes in the kit and what type of situations the batch kit is useful for. The main aspects and main selling points of this kit is that it comes with 4 315 watt Jinko high quality solar panels. Now in a lot of cases we've seen these panels actually put out more than 315 watts per panel in really good high sunlight conditions. Also included in the kit are some of our signature 200 amp hour gel batteries. Now in a lot of kits the batteries supplied, while they are 200 amp hour batteries, they're normally AGM batteries that are more designed for UPS power backup systems, which means the batteries, while they are 200 amp hours, they're normally only reliable for a few deep discharges. So for solar usage, where there's a lot of cyclical load, where the batteries are charged up and then discharged at night, the AGM batteries that are designed for UPS situations aren't really that good, and they normally only have maybe a 2-3 year life. Whereas these batteries are specifically designed for cycle use, and with a gel construction, we've seen these batteries last over 8 years. So in our kit, we have 4 of these batteries, and they're wired together in series to create a 48 volt battery bank. Running off this 48 volt battery bank is a 3000 watt inverter. Now this inverter is one of the most powerful 48 volt inverters that are used that still come with a standard household plug. So you don't have to wire this inverter into a switchboard at all. You can use this inverter just with a multi-board that runs off this main plug. We also include in this kit a 50 amp charge controller, which is enough to support 6 panels, but we can then upgrade to a 60 amp or even a 100 amp charge controller if you need to run more panels, and you can extend the battery bank as well. Now both of these inverters and charge controllers, they have an interface that allows you to connect to EPEVA Supply is a Wi-Fi box that allows you to run an app on your phone that can talk to both the inverter and the charge controller up here. Now this kit also comes with all the leads and cables you need with pre-crimp terminals on each end. We even supply all the little hardware that you might need, like the battery terminal covers. So when you run the leads to the batteries, you can put these terminal covers on and everything is safe and secure from anything accidentally shorting. We also supply any kind of crimp tools you'll need if you want to customize this kit. We even include pre-crimped cables that run from the positive to negative to create the 48 volt battery bank. Now this kit does come with quite a powerful inverter, 3000 watt, as we like to allow our customers to be able to run some high load devices if they need to. So with 3000 watts it means you can run any kind of power tools, even a toaster or a microwave oven if you want to. Now we don't recommend running that kind of stuff continuously, especially at night time or when there's not a lot of sun, because it can draw a lot of power from the battery bank, and if you don't have a lot of sun out to top up that, it can start to really impact on the batteries and really drag them down low. Now, the kind of situations that this kit is perfect for is the kind of person who has a cabin or a tiny house or a house bus where they have most of their heating and most of their cooking and hot water appliances on gas. So we don't really recommend this kit to be used with an electric water heater, an electric oven or electric heating. What this kit is absolutely perfect for is for somebody who wants to run a fridge freezer, like an energy efficient full-size fridge freezer, even a deep freeze and a small mini fridge, and then they can charge pretty much any number of devices, laptops, mobile phones, tablets, anything like that. You can run, pretty much charge anything you would want to need for 2-3 people. And you can also run LED lighting for any kind of small 1 or 2 bedroom tiny house, cabin or house bus. So that's essentially a brief overview of what comes in this kit and what this kit is perfectly ideal for. This kit we now sell for $5,999, which does come with everything you see included on this table, apart from the wire cutter and crimper that you see here. Also included in this kit is either a roof mount or a ground mount that takes 4 of these Jinko panels. So if you have any questions about this kit, feel free to contact us at the GridFree store, and if you like what you see here and want to find out more details, feel free to contact us and we can answer any questions and we can customize the kit to any of your needs. In the next video, we'll talk about exactly how all this fits together, how to install it, and any issues and any troubleshooting you can go through when installing this kit.